Hello everyone. Is Excel scrolling the whole sheet when you press the arrow keys instead of moving to the next cell? This usually happens because scroll lock is turned on, which you can see in the status bar. To fix it, simply press the scroll lock key on your keyboard. Now the scroll lock option is removed from the status bar. Use arrow keys and it will move cursor from one cell to another. On many laptops, scroll lock key is not available. In this case, you have two options. First, hold the function key and press C. Scroll lock option is removed from status bar. Now you can use arrow key to move cursor from one cell to another. If this method is not working, press Windows and R key. It will open Run window. Type OSK and press enter. It will open on screen keyboard. Scroll lock is highlighted. Now click scroll lock to turn it off. Close the on screen keyboard and scroll lock option will be removed from status bar. Now use arrow key and cursor will move between cells. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.